Hi everyone! Creating a modern oasis in your backyard is a great way to improve outdoor life and raise the value of your home at the same time. In 2024, patio and landscaping plans will focus on being simple, long-lasting, and adaptable. Trending now are eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood and solar lighting, as well as outdoor areas that can be used for more than one thing, like dining, lounging, and having a fire. Vertical gardens and green walls make small spaces look bigger by adding plants. Smooth changes between indoor and outdoor spaces and matching decor styles also make rooms feel bigger. Smooth water features, cozy fire pits, and tiered lighting for mood can help you relax. Smart technology, like automated lights and irrigation, makes things more useful, and wildflowers and naturalistic landscaping make them more diverse. Adding waterproof rugs and cushions for comfort is the last step. These trends will help you make an outdoor space that fits your lifestyle and looks good at the same time. Sustainable materials and eco-friendly designs. Sustainability is a big trend in patio design for 2024, with a focus on eco-friendly materials that look good and are good for the earth. Use reclaimed wood, bamboo, or composite decking to give your home a natural, earthy look while also being better for the world. Recycled stone paths give your yard character and are good for the environment. Solar-powered lighting makes the area look better and saves energy. These things not only help you live in a greener way, but they also make your outdoor place look better overall. You can make a patio that fits in with current styles and helps the environment by using eco-friendly materials and energy-saving methods. Multifunctional outdoor spaces. Patios today are changing into more flexible areas that can be used for both fun and relaxation. By adding dining areas, lounge chairs, and cozy fire pits, you can make an outdoor living space that can be used for a variety of activities. Moving around modular furniture is easy, so it can be used for both large parties and quiet times. Built-in grills or fully equipped outdoor kitchens make the patio even more useful, making it a great place to have meals or relaxed get-togethers. These designs can be used for more than one thing, so you can make the most of your outdoor space. They can turn it into a stylish, cozy retreat that fits your lifestyle and makes your home look better. Vertical gardens and green walls. Vertical gardens and green walls are great ways to add lots of greenery to small areas while also making them look better, making the air better, and keeping heat in. They make a beautiful focus point and bring nature closer, even in small spaces. To follow this trend, use a ladder to grow colorful climbing plants, or set up modular systems to make a green wall that flows smoothly. Mixing herbs, succulents, and blooming plants will give your garden more variety and use. This will also make your garden look nicer. These installations are flexible, easy to take care of, and great for adding a natural, fresh touch to patios, balconies, or urban gardens. They are a stylish and useful addition to any area. Water features for relaxation. Water features are classic additions to any yard that make it look more peaceful and classy. This year, 2024, simple patterns that look good are popular. They add a modern twist to traditional elements. With LED lights, a fountain can be the center of attention, combining beauty and usefulness, especially in the evening. A koi pond can add a bit of elegance and a lively yet soothing element to your backyard, making it look even more beautiful. Something is soothing about water features, like the sound of it flowing or the way it reflects light. They can make your outdoor area a peaceful retreat. Smart technology integration. Smart technology is being added to modern patios to make life outside easier and more useful. Features like automatic lighting systems let you change the mood with a tap on your phone, and weather-resistant Bluetooth speakers make sure you can enjoy music even when you're outside. Smart irrigation systems take care of your yard automatically, keeping it lush and green with little work from you. These new ideas not only make your backyard more useful, but also give it a touch of class and modernity. By using these smart ideas, you can turn your outdoor space into a high-tech escape that looks great and is easy to run. Naturalistic landscaping. Naturalistic landscaping uses native plants, wildflower meadows, and organic flowing forms to capture the beauty of nature. The result is a calm, unstructured look. This method not only makes your yard look better, but it also encourages biodiversity by luring in pollinators like bees and butterflies, which is important for keeping the ecosystem balanced. Focusing on native species and natural arrangements cuts down on upkeep a lot because these plants are better suited to the area. As a result, there is a peaceful, low-maintenance outdoor space that feels both alive and calm. It is a sustainable and welcoming retreat that fits in perfectly with its surroundings. Cozy fire features. People still like to use fireplaces and fire pits to make their outdoor areas cozier and more attractive. These features not only make the space feel warm and inviting, but they also make good meeting spots. No matter what kind of fire feature you choose, a modern gas-powered one or a classic wood-burning one, it will make your patio cozier. To get the most out of your setup, put the fire pit in the middle of your sitting area and add weatherproof cushions to make it more comfortable. This mix creates a stylish, useful, and friendly place that's great for relaxing nights in or having guests over. Outdoor rugs and soft furnishings. Add style and comfort to your outdoor space with long-lasting rugs and seats that won't get damaged by the weather. Patterns and textures that are based on nature will be popular in 2024. They give patios and parks a touch of elegance and balance. These soft furniture not only make the room look better, but they also make it a nice place to relax or have guests over. Choose fabrics that are resistant to UV light to make sure your decor lasts and stays bright. Outdoor rugs and cushions are a great way to make your patio feel like a welcome extension of your home because they look good and are useful at the same time. Conclusion: to make a truly amazing outdoor area in 2024, designing a modern patio and backyard garden means combining style, functionality, and sustainability. This year's trends are all about being flexible and useful. For example, they include using eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood and solar lighting, and creating places that can be used for more than one thing, like dining, relaxing, and hosting guests. Adding fire pits, water features, and vertical plants can make your backyard more peaceful and beautiful. Smart technology makes things easier, and naturalistic gardening promotes biodiversity and lowers the amount of work that needs to be done. Adding comfortable furniture like outdoor rugs and chairs will make your outdoor oasis a great place to relax. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment.